Well, I just got back from the W Mart, my local W Mart, because I haven't been there in a while. But, you know, I got some more Yugiman cards. So yeah, I think I'm going to open them up, take a look, see how they are. Alright, I don't know if I can turn this light off. Alright, again. Alright, time to unwrap these bitches. Alright, they better be good, or I swear to God. Don't want them falling out because I don't want to see them before I... Hey. Must be new they must be new cards because they're pretty flimsy. Alright. Get the wrappers off. Alright. I don't really care. I'm just going to do it the way it is. Alright. What is this? Gaja? Well, you know, he's pretty good. I'm pretty excited to get him. Alright. Let's go again. Wow! I got this fucker again. I swear to God if I get another one. I swear to fucking God. Alright. You know what? Alright. Let's see what other ones we got. I swear to God. If I get two more fucking Gajas, I'm ripping all these cards up. I swear to God, if I get another one. Got all these Gajas. Look, Gaja. Half of a Gaja, another half of a Gaja. Wow. Honestly. Fuck this. Oh, I don't know, I might go back up there and get some more cards. Because, you know, I swear to God, if I get more Gajas, I'm going to kill someone.